Dream in color. By mixing the contemporary color of the body with subtle tones of the keycaps, the lighter colored backlight creates a balanced tricolor effect. Glistening pearl finish, blended with an alluring metallic matte paint for a fresh perspective on pearl finishes. The gold standard, the trifecta of colors is complete with a touch of elegant gold on the knob and keycaps. Solid colored replacements keycaps are included in the box to achieve a different look. EMBRACKING round form. Every corner, line, and edge follows a unified curved form, and numerous design elements were fused for ergonomic comfort and refined beauty. Our unique edge-less design is built to be visually soothing and soft to the touch. Dual function control knob. The intuitive gold control knob is both gorgeous and functional, helping you efficiently access important media backlight functions with ease. Never fading keycaps. Our custom PBT double-shot keycaps create a light and dark color contrast between the keycap and font, displaying two color effects with the backlight on and off. By adding laser-etched font, the keys will never fade away with time and usage. Compatible devices: PC, Mac, tablet, iPad, iPhone, Android phone. Connectivity technology: USB-C. Top reviews from the United States. Very pretty. Good battery and aesthetically pleasing. Just be prepared for a lot of click sounds.